Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you this Ex54 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what can you do to get rid of it. So first of all, what this is that there is a motor that turns this internal drying drum. And this error indicates that that motor is jammed somehow. It's trying to turn the drum and it can't turn the drum. So there could be a couple reasons for this. Number one could be just you have put way too much stuff in your dryer. So the first thing to do is if you get this error when you've got a full load of stuff, just try taking some things out, starting it again, and seeing if that doesn't fix the problem. Now if that doesn't fix the problem, you just want to come in and like I said, this needs to turn freely. So you just want to feel around. If you can feel, if it's not turning freely, try to figure out where it's not turning freely, because this can be as simple as some debris or something jammed in there, not allowing it to turn freely. And so, you know, there could be any number of parts that you might end up needing to replace, or you might not need to replace any parts at all if you can find a piece of something that's preventing this drum from turning freely and easily.